First, we take this battery the way you want. So, plus and minus. Plus and minus are arranged like this. Oh, wait a minute. It's lined up like this, back to back. Wait a minute. It's back to back. The two sides are connected together. We follow this. Positive and negative, plus and negative, arranged like this. Put this on both sides of the insulation board. Can't you just plug it in like this? It is not sticky when plugged directly in. Glue. After pasting the cleansing board, just use this mesh tape to tie it up. So let's do it now. It's all sealed with tape. Intermediate multi-junction insulation plate. So we're going to start soldering this. Battery. Wait a minute, the battery is placed like this. After pasting the insulation board, we're going to start soldering this battery. We use a 0.3 aluminum crack composite tape to see. Then let's solder this connecting piece. After all welding is done, let's paint him a little first. Wait a minute, I want to weld the balance line of that protective plate. So we'll click on it. Then we can put this battery. Put it together for him. Stick double-sided tape on the back. This is thickened double-sided tape, a high temperature resistant. Then let's put this now. The uniform lines of the protective plate are all welded. Next, we will weld the outlet of the protective plate. Not really. No, actually, can't plug in the protective plate before soldering this outlet. This is absolutely prohibited. Be sure to solder this wire first, then plug it in. Solder the cable. The battery is probably ready. Next we use charger to activate this shield. I heard the protective panel ring. You can disconnect this charger. Protective plate. Next, let's go to the protective plate. It's a simple setup. Next, we plug in the charger. To charge the battery. Oh, it shows the current is 7.1 amps. This is an adjustable charger. Current is about the same. It's almost 7 o'clock. So it's pretty accurate.